I also heard from Sarah, who lives in Shrewsbury, Massachusetts, and who wrote me about her concerns that the Republican health care bill would endanger coverage of birth control and access to services at Planned Parenthood. Sarah wrote me this past weekend while I was out dancing in the Boston Pride Parade. As I type this, you are at Boston Pride, which I would have loved to be there to support my friends. But due to my endometriosis pain, here I sit. I am extremely concerned about the GOP plan to reduce or strip away insurance coverage for birth control. As a 21-year-old woman suffering from endometriosis, a very common disease among young women, I know firsthand that birth control does more than just prevent pregnancy. In fact, for many, it is the only treatment for them. In 10 days, I will be undergoing endometriosis surgery, and for the past 6 months, since I've been diagnosed until the surgery, birth control was the only thing enabling me to stand up straight most days. Even while taking oral contraceptives, there were many days I was unable to get out of bed, today being one of them. I am so lucky to have access to an amazing endo specialist at Brigham and Women's Hospital and to have access to the medication and surgery that I need. But every time I groan about having to go to an appointment, I think about how many women are suffering from the same debilitating pain, but without the resources to overcome it. Many women rely on Planned Parenthood not just for abortions, but to provide them with the medicine that will enable them to stand up straight in spite of the pain they deal with every day. Endometriosis doesn't discriminate, and it cannot be cured, only treated. Until endometriosis becomes a prominent focus of medical research, which I feel it should be, we must protect the right to be treated for it, which means protecting insurance coverage of birth control and protecting Planned Parenthood. I know that you are a warrior for women's rights, and I know you are the patron saint of Planned Parenthood. I know these are issues you fight for, and I cannot even begin to thank you enough for all you've done thus far. I hope that by adding my voice and my personal story, I can fuel your fire and somehow be a small part in protecting my fellow females and my fellow endometriosis sufferers. That's 1 in 10 women in the U.S. Thank you for fighting for us. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And Sarah, thank you for writing, and thank you for fighting. We're going to fight to save your coverage, and next year, I expect to see you on the parade route at Pride.